they class 7 as well as class 8. So these nets, they can be used to help the students to visualize how the solid shapes and their names are correlated with.
We have prepared this video for SSC. So for that, we have prepared this parties of India, so national parties of India, the major national parties that we have, that the BJP, Communist, Aam Aadmi, Bharatiya Janata, International Cooperative.
So basically this is English 2 and we have classes 6 to 10 and there are variety of models presented by class 6 to 7 and 8.
So you got to know so much
टिएलएमा विशेष गरी हामीले वर्गहरुमा ध्यान दिएको छ। हामीले लाग्छ कि हाम्रो नानीहरु वर्गमा धेरै कमी भएर गएको छ, त्यसैले हामीले बेसी जोड वर्गमा दिएका छौं है। तपाईले यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ क्लास 8 मा विद्यार्थीहरुको सहयोग गराएको छ। यसमा मैले प्रतिभा परिचयबाट लिएर आएकी छु र त्यो प्रतिभा परिचयबाट पहिला आएको छ और हमारे यहाँ जो टीएलएम इसमें किया गया है वो बहुत सारी चीजें से होता है। और सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं हेमंत अभ्यास श्री चंद्रशेखर वेंद्र ब्रह्म के बारे में। वैसे तो हमने आइंस्टाइन और कई सारे महान वैज्ञानिकों के बारे में सुना है, लेकिन
it was named after the person who made it, believing itself. It was used to play the role of Maximilian Robespierre.
Class 10 project. It's about the rainwater harvesting, and this is the layer of the earth. Here, this is some of the political parties that represent our country. That is in All India National Party, Bharatiya Janata Party. These are the demonstration through which student can learn.
हामीले चाहिँ नानीहरूलाई पढाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले यो ए लाई चाहिँ यसरी होल्ड गर्नुपर्छ, अन्त उनीहरूलाई टु फिङ्गरले उनीहरूलाई फिल गर्नु लाउनुपर्छ।
I made a puppet. This will make the class interesting. The children can enjoy this puppet. हेर्नुस् यसरी खेल्न सक्छ उनीहरूले। यो puppet बनाएको यो चाहिँ हामीले पेपर कप युज एन्ड थ्रो पेपर कप युज गरेर बनाएको puppet है उनीहरूलाई। जस्तै नानीहरूले फर्स्ट च्याप्टर पढाउनु पर्दा अब उनीहरूलाई मोटिभेट गर्नु पर्यो। जस्तै जन्मदिनको पढाउँदैछ म हिन्दीको पढाइ हामीले यस्तो प्रकारले बनाएको छ। ह्याप्पी स्याड यस्तै प्रकारले अर्को छ बोय गर्ल घरेलु औषधि मेडिसिनल प्लान्ट निम पत्ता कलेजोलाई बलियो बनाउन रगत सफा गर्न पाचन शक्ति सुधार्नु।
First, we will talk about the materials used in building houses. This is sand, this is rod, wood, bricks, stones, and cement.
Good morning. Here I am going to explain some of the TLMs which I have prepared for class 5. So here I have prepared a 3D structure of the sources of water, in which I have shown there are different sources of water like rain. This is the stream, river, sea, pond, water pump, well, lake. So with this structure they can have a better idea about the different sources of water.
Math को जति TLM बनाएको छ यो सबै नानीहरुको सजिलोको लागि हामीले बनाएको छ। सिम्पल बनाएको
छौं। हामी त्यो सामग्रीहरूलाई यहाँनिर प्रस्तुत गरेका छौं। त्यसमध्ये यहाँनिर हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हामीले पीपीटी प्रस्तुत गर्छौं। त्यसमा अलङ्कारको लाई उदाहरणको रूपमा यहाँ राखेका छौं भने यसरी नै कारक यहाँनिर खण्डहरूलाई राखिएका छन्।
Morning everyone. This is physical education section. We did here the model of different types of games, and we did here yoga asana, and we show there are different types of yoga asana, and this is Coco coach.
Good morning everyone. So this is the geography section of class 12A, 11A and 11B. First we would like to talk about the first project. This is the project from 12A showing different kind of pollution. As you can see, we are demonstrating on different water pollution, we have our land pollution, we have noise pollution, radiation, the different kind of emission gases from the vehicle and the factory.
So first of all, I'd like to mention here that we have covered all the syllabus from class 11 and 12. For example, we have TLM from reading, writing, prose, and even listening and speaking, listening context. Okay. So first of all, I'd like to highlight on this. These are some of the free websites for class 12 students.
ये कक्षा 12वीं का है। इसमें शिक्षण सामग्री प्रस्तुतिकरण किया गया है, जिसमें शिरीष फूल, हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी हैं। इनमें से 3 लेखकों का हमने वर्णन किया है, जैसे बाजार दर्शन, इसमें बाजार के महत्व को बारे में बताया गया है। उसी तरह दिन जल्दी जल्दी ढलता है, हिंदी साहित्य के महान लेखक हरिवंश राय बच्चन के लिखी हुई कविता है।
TLM on the basis to identify the direct cost and indirect cost. So here we have segregated direct cost and indirect cost. And direct cost are those costs which are directly involved in the production of goods and services.
Here's pure teaching learning material for class 11 and 12. And keeping on mind the time factor, locally available materials, we try to cover few of the topics of class 11 as well as class 12. And this one is the osmoscope to explain the osmosis in class 11 biology subject.
I'll just give a brief explanation of the model and the chart paper. What you can see in the chart paper, the social movement in India, is based on the syllabus of class 12. As you can see, the chart paper is used, so it covers at least 80% of the chapter itself.
The DC voltage, this will glow, and also the budget will. So that is
about the network topology and network. First of all, let me explain network. Network is the devices which are connected to each other. Any devices like phone, printer, any kind of technological devices, when those devices are connected to each other, can be called as a network.
TLM is for few chapters, so it took better for students to meet this TLM. So here we're showing, how voting was done in India. This is initially they used to use like ballot box. Okay, then later after 2004 we switched on to EVM machines.
I have made with my help of students. I'm made 3 TLM. One is for this law of demand for the 11, and law of demand signifies that whenever there is a decrease in the demand, that means the price increases.
Henry Kunka, Arere Kaisa Rong Lima, Arere Pongi Burbambuma, Pongi Burbare Rongup Songnun Namun Sung Setma, and Alum Matilre Kainun Todosa Namun Sungsho, Chisa Zutab Macho, Kuri, Mon Fan Tasho, Bonging Nunre Abirumpat Matbam, and Kai Rongup Songnunre Chi, Shumat Zutab Macho Libare, Arere Kaisa Lumten Azoma, Shumat Gong Rongup Nun. Again, long among Sunday Rechido, Zutamacho, Chief Minimum Kaisa, Siredola, Timreda, Mutonge.
As we can see, this is the model of Mesopotamian civilization. So Mesopotamia is a place where the first civilization began, and it is also known as the cradle of civilization. And
오늘 리디 쉐고 보양 하고 보디 가면지 키세다 집에 네 민가디 간슈로스나디 칼리 숨주라 되게가지 계릭나디 칼리 숨주라 되게 쇼다이 리디 알파벳 쇼도베 파티 알파벳 디카카가 나니 중에 하
along with faculty come up with various food items which is very nutritious and vitamin food. So students and along us has made various chart where it reflects the various food group with fruits, protein, grain, vegetables, and different healthy food and fast foods, which is healthy food is a good choice to have, and fast food is little more little not healthy. So there is a vitamin chart also. So various vegetables shows various vitamins which contain vitamins in the food and fruits, and there are different equipment, kitchen equipments where in large hotel the kitchen equipments were used along with the names, and there are different variety of foods. With number one is sprouted grams, so which is very rich in fibers, and it is a good benefit to prevent ulcers and different diseases. And here with ferns, which is found in the local organic vegetables. So it is also very good for health. And this is buckwheat. In Nepali, it's called papar, and it's also a very fibrous food. And another one is millet chapati. So in Nepali, it is called kodo roti. So it is also a very nutritious and fibers, which is very benefit for our health. And likewise, there's a salad which is very healthy to eat. And another one is fermented leaves, which we have made salad, and it is an biotic homemade salad. And there is a cereals. So red kidney beans, so chickpeas, gram, peas, and black gram. And there is a different cereals, which our body needs for a healthy. So I would like to taste our wife to taste this nutritious food, to have her a good